he would try to take a bite and say no like it. Oh boy. What's that?
Mouse.
No, that's a cow.
Cow.
That's right, cow.
Read it.
Okay. What's that say?
What does that say?
What's this book?
Good night, moon.
Exactly what that says. Good night, moon. Good job.
Let's play it.
Okay. Ready?
Yeah.
Good deal. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of...
Cow.
Let me see. Do you see it? Show me where a picture of Frisbee is. There.